All right. Hi, everybody. Segment number 2. Okay. So again, page 16, on top it says number 6 to number 8, one leg at a time. We're focusing on the left side of the body first. Okay, so client's left side. My client's left side, okay?
Got it.
Jeez. Yeah, so everything we've done thus far, especially when you do your assessment, everything is both sides together. So if you want to highlight or circle or do another asterisk on that for this number 6, please do so. Okay. To get into this position, I'm not going to bother with transition. We're just going to get into position right now. If I'm doing my client's left leg, my left leg is in motion as well. So left leg to left leg. All right. Can I do the other leg? Sure. But I'm going to show you what that looks like.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know if he likes that. You know, he's not in a fight right now. He's not wearing a cup. So, yeah, so that has to do with etiquette as well. So whenever we do stuff, we want to aim away from the private areas. So now my left leg with his left leg. Okay. Okay, so my foot should theoretically be at around the hip, if you want to keep that as a memory thing. But now it's like, wow, his foot's like right here. What can I do?
Adjust.
Shift your body. This is not the intention. This is the, we're working on the foot. Don't worry about where this is, okay? Just make sure that it's kind of in line with each other, all right? Number 6, rotate ankle. Rotate the foot out 5 times, rotate the foot in 5 times. Let's take a look at this. You can see everything, okay? Knee and everything here. If I rotate the ankle like this, you can see that the knee is moving as well, all right? The whole leg, everything all the way up to his hip. My intention is rotate the ankle, so that is not what I want to do. I want to just rotate the ankle. His whole leg is not moving now, right? It's just the ankle part. Like it's moving a little bit. But it's not moving like this, right? You see all that movement there? So how do I do that? My inside hand, my inside of the body hand is at his heel. And this is gonna go in a circle as well. I'm going to do the Pac-Man kind of hand puppet thing with his foot. And I'm going to rotate the ankle. This way I get full rotation of his ankle. But in this regard as well, now I can see where he's tight. Because if I'm focusing on this and his knees moving, his whole, like everything's moving, well, I know something's tight somewhere up in his hip, right? Again, this is another part of assessment that he doesn't need to tell me. Maybe he doesn't even know, right? But I'm doing this and I can see he's okay. So rotate foot out 5 times, rotate in 5 times as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next step, number 7, twist foot. Twisting the foot out, so it's outer rotation, internal rotation. I'm going to have the palm of my hand on the top of the foot. I'm going to wrap my fingers around the base of the sole of the foot, and I'm going to twist. I'm going to sandwich that. I'm going to twist, and I'm going to lean back just a little bit. Okay. We see here it goes 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Look at the board. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1 is close to the heel. Rotate, twist out, and lean back. Release. Point 2 is in the middle of the foot. Point 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Change hands. Over here, I'm not grabbing his Achilles heel, the tendon rather. I'm grabbing the heel. Personal preference of mine. I hate grabbing the tendon because it's a dangerous spot. Can be, depending on situation, right? Here it's all bone. I have no issues. Here, then I'm grabbing as well. Just doesn't feel right. Feels different, all right?
Yeah.
Not at all. Yeah.
Yeah, it feels different.
Anyway, so next, switch hands. And this is going to be a little more different because there's less internal rotation. Point 1, rotate and pull up. 2, 3, 2, and 1. Twisting of the foot. All right. Next step, number 8, pulling and cracking toes. In reality, you do not have to do this. Some people like their joints cracked, some people don't. Clearly, it's good. So thumb circle the joint of the toe. So we're almost doing the same thing that we just did before lunch. We're going to relax the joint. Relax the joint. We're going to take the toe. We're going to actually rotate the toe clockwise and counterclockwise. Okay. Now it's not thumb circles, right? We're taking the actual joint, right? And we're doing this. Okay. And pull. No. If it doesn't crack, it doesn't crack. Don't. Oh, it's gonna crack. Next toe, same thing. And it's not a competition, guys. Please. If you don't crack it, you don't crack it.
What is the
If
intention?
it is a
What is the
competition.
intention?
Wanting us to be competitive.
What if it is
Oh
a
my
At
God.
the very beginning.
Ah! Tubi's gonna be like, no problem. Tuck, tuck, tuck,
No,
tuck,
no,
tuck.
it depends on the, I think his leg very tight,
Yeah.
that's why it doesn't crack.
Ah.
I'll try to crack next time.
No. Oh my God, that big toe, I'm definitely not gonna get it. Whatever. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then next one, palm press the top of the foot. 1, 2, 3. So, palm pressing here. I'm still. So we did that on the ground like this, huh? But I'm still holding on, and literally because the posture that we're in, it's almost like we're pulling and pushing down. 1, 2, 3. That's all it says. And this is push the ball of the foot. I'm going to do that. Lift. Get out of this position. And drop the foot back down. Okay? So if you want to reverse that now to get into this position, last thing we did was palm pressing, right? And then if you want to, you can push the ball of the foot, lift it up, and get into position like this. Okay? If you want. I'm not doing that right now. Okay, next. Number 9, stretch the top of the foot. So,
Would you do the other side at
Yes.
this point?
yeah, one side and then to the other side. That's the next thing on the bottom here. It says repeat 6 to 8
Oh,
times.
okay.
For the assessment, we're just doing one side. So don't do both. So we've already done the palm pressing like this, right? Feet were wide apart because we're doing all this palm press walk. Number 9 is different. Same, but different. We are going to move the feet together. That's what it says. And then we're going to stretch the top of the foot. So palm pressing again. 1, 2, 3, 2, and 1. Okay? So that's the difference here. Before, feet were out here. We're doing this. Number 9, in between, we're doing this. Okay? Number 10. Please get your pens out. Pen to your pillow. Do that. It says push toes. It says push toes, but we're not pushing toes. Pushing toes is dangerous. What does it say in the bulb, in the point there?
Balls.
Also feet.
Balls of the yeah, man. So
The toe.
why are you saying push toes? Makes no sense. We want to push the ball of the feet. Okay? Hands push the ball of the feet. If we push the toes, we're pulling that back too much, and we can potentially break the toes.
So we like to lie down to put ball to the,
Yeah. So instead, like cross out push toes. You know, if you want to rewrite, you can rewrite the ball of the feet. Okay? But it's already written there. Okay? So again, there's a difference. This is pushing the ball of the feet. If we want to, in motion, kind of curl the toes up, sure, we can do that. But we're not pushing the toes. All right? Yeah? Okay, so both hands. So these are now together, right? So we just did the stretch. Now we're going to push the toes. 5 seconds soft. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 seconds hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa. Yeah. Look how far his foot goes. This guy.
He's in good shape.
That's good, man. Okay, so 3 times. Soft, hard, soft. 5, 10, 5. And then number 11, we're going to cross the feet and palm press down as well. DPP. Double palm press. DPP. When we cross the feet, if his feet are out here, we're going to cross. Well, I'm getting kind of like toe on toe. If his feet are too close together, can't really cross the feet. All right, we're getting kind of the arch. So play around with it. We want to get the sole of his foot to the top of his other foot, like that. Okay? Don't be afraid to shift their legs around, right? Please. Doesn't matter left and right first. Okay, we're going to switch after. Double palm press, 5, 10, 5, soft, hard, soft. Crossing feet, double palm press. When we're pressing, again, we're not pressing downwards. We know that already because we've done it twice. So it's almost like pulling this direction, but down like this. Okay? So palm press, go with the body. 10 seconds, 10 and 5 soft. Okay, double palm press, DPP. Yeah, double palm press. And then switch to feet. Should not have to move much. Same thing. Soft, 1, 2, 5. Release. Harder, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release and 5 seconds soft. 1, 2, 5. When we have finished that, we repeat PP1, which is the first thing that we did today. So that would be palm press, palm press, palm press, palm press, walk, palm press, walk up, palm circle, palm press, walk up. See what happens if I don't move? It's really weird now, right?
So PP1's that whole sequence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Memorize
That's a
that.
good one.
But it's very easy, very simple, right? Because we know we start at the feet. We mentioned that earlier. And then we know we're going to walk all the way up. Oh, palm circle. Walk, 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 walk. Walking back down. Palm circle, walk, 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 walk. Press. Easy. We know now. Right? Demystified. Any questions? Stop recording. Let's go. Let's do some work. Okay.